What's up, YouTubers? This is the great Beyblade Master here. Today with you for another video. Today, I got myself a 3 new set. Meet the B153 set, containing all of the greatest parts in the world. Only one of the greatest GT sets in the entire system. It comes with, of course, Alien Genesis and Hybrid. There's also Apocalypse, Zero, Dagger, Ultimate Reboot. Also Cosmo Dragon, Red Suit, Vanguard, Revolve, and the Race Fafnir 10, and Sting, and Trick. Today, yeah, and not only that, they also got a few other sets like this Big Bang Genesis. Really good Beyblade, so I can evolve the Genesis already. And finally, I also got this Imperial Dragon. Really good Beyblade, to be honest. Really good. So that's all those sets right now. I will unbox all those Beyblades. Here it is, all of those Beyblades, I promise. Here's the Imperial Dragon with the ignition, with all the stickers already attached on. Really good, to be honest. Here's also my Big Bang Genesis. Really good. With the Regalia Genesis, with Hybrid, Prime Apocalypse, with the Ultimate Reboot. Like, that's the second that's ever come out. This first time was one with the Nemesis. Here we have Cosmo Dragon. Yeah, I guess I have like 2 dragon layers. And Erase Fafnir. The Trick. All of these are actually really good. Now I'm going to show you how. Now, if you're wondering about the anime, you probably heard about Hybrid with the Big Bang Genesis. So I'll show you how to make it. First, you have to burst this. First, you do this. Then you click it and it will burst. Okay. Then for the Genesis, first thing you do is just move the armor up. Then do the same thing, burst. Then burst. And it comes off. Now what you do is then add the hybrid driver, like so. Then you add. All you have to do is just put back the armor back in again, straight like this. Then free spinning, 360-degree free spinning, GT layer with the Flintlock layer with the hybrid. The perfect, it's like a really good combo from the anime. It costs a lot of money to make, so you know, that's not exactly easy, I'll be honest. It's really good, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest, many Beyblades are not, they don't make Beyblades like they used to. Well, these days are always doubting the potential of Beyblade. I think in Japan they count it as a sport or something. I don't blame them. Beyblade is one of the most popular things in the entire world. If you also want to see me unbox the other videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading those new videos soon. I will be uploading videos where I demonstrate access for these Beyblades. And also look at this case with the Imperial. I also bought this case for $250 in a tournament. So the Beyblade case comes with 5 Beyblades. It comes with Beyblades that you already know I have already. But top 5 my rarest: the Dragon, the Genesis with Hybrid, Guilty Luminor, Giga, this one, Tournament, Astro Spriggan, and the very and perfect dangerous gun. I'm actually hoping to get the War Bahamut so I can use it in tournament. So I think I'll exchange the War Bahamut with the perfect dangerous Dahlia. So all I have to do is just exchange the Giga exchange Giga from the Karma and it's perfect. Okay, so please until next time. The assembly of this is actually quite complex. It's quite complex to assemble all of this. So please be careful and until next time, peace out.